Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram for the cumulative frequency curve for the IQ of 300 students. Okay, so I know the total number 300. And A part 1 eventually require us to find the fraction of students of IQ more than 100. Now, to approach this, step 1, we will then need to find the number of students whose IQ is less than or equals to 100. This number can be gleaned easily from the graph. 100 IQ, if we go up the graph, this 100 represents the number of students who IQ is less than 100. Okay? And because I know the total number of students here, 300, that means the number of students with IQ more than 300, more than 100 would be 300 minus 100. And after that, since they're asking for fraction, I divide by 300. Okay? So 300 minus 100, this will be the number of students whose IQ is more than 100. So I repeat. So this one, which is 200, are students with IQ more than 100. Then I divide by the total number. That will give me the fraction, 2 over 3. A part 2 require us to find the number of students with IQ between 97 and 102. Okay, so the first number I'm going to find is the number of students who scored less than, whose IQ is less than 97, which is here. Okay. This will be the first number, 50. The second number, 102, is here. And that will give me 140. So what does this mean? How do I get the number of students between, whose IQ is between 97 and 102? So if you look at this particular graph, then you can see that there are 50 students with IQ less than 97. There is also 140 students with IQ less than 102. So in between, where could the answer be? Yes. This will be the number of students whose IQ is between 97 and 102, which is here. Okay. So how then can I find this? What should I do to this 140 and 150? Yes, we are going to minus to give me 90. So there is 90 here. And that will be for this first part of this particular problem. Now the second part of this problem then require us to find that 40% of the students have IQ more than H. Find this value of H. Step 1. Then I will need to find the percentage of the students with IQ less than or equals to H. 40% more than H, so yep, 60% less than H. And once I know that 60%, I would then need to find the number of students with IQ less than or equals to H. That means I would then tap on this 60% and then multiply by 300, which is the total number of students. So now I know 180 students with IQ less than or equals to H. So where is this H? 180, that's why we are going into this graph again and gather that 180, which is here, I will be able to get the answer from here. This will be my H, which is equals to 104. And therefore, from the graph, my H is 104. Last part, okay? Complete the frequency table for this distribution, and we already got the frequency here, okay? So how then can we calculate the mean of this particular IQ of all the students? Well, we will then need to get hold of the mid value of each of the class. What do I mean by that? How do I get 92.5? 95 plus 90 divided by 2. I will get 92.5. 100 plus 50 divided by 2. 97.5. So I continue this for the next 3 interval. 110 plus 105 divided by 2. 115 plus 110 divided by 2. And after which, how then can I calculate the mean of this IQ? Well, 25 of them with IQ estimated to be 92.5. So I have to multiply them together. Same goes for this 75 and 97. I multiply them together. This 100 and 102.5. 75 and 70.5. 25 and 112. This is the total IQ score. Divide by the total number of students, 300. That will then give me my mean. Last but not least, do take note, this is an estimated mean. And therefore, since it is an estimated mean, we do have to leave our answer to 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.